Ganda ng laban, no? The 3-point all.
He's 4 for 4 from the line. That's 79% for the season.
And what did I say? Steph Curry's one of those players that even if you do it right, he can still beat you. That's what he did here.
3-point.
It is look, feet
Laki ng butas.
barely inside, heels above, and just knocks
Stephen Curry. Shout out nga pala sa mga kaibigan natin, ha. Nood na lang ng NBA. Ayan, o. Ayan, guys. Lamang ng isa. Hello. Hello.
Reeves with a clutch free throw shooting. First Christie, then Reeves.
Lamang ng tatlo.
Looking. Curry gets free. Curry puts
Ano ko? Na 3-point. All. Galing talaga ni Stephen Curry. Sigawan ng stadium ng Lakers. Na-train ni Curry, oh. Ayan, guys.
One thing I never understand, the false action of players cutting down the lane. Let them cut down the lane. What you can't do, Rui, Gabe, let them go. The only thing that can hurt you is right there.
point switch. Watch the point switch. It's not there. Rui's tough.
Grabe, oh.
Give credit to Steve
Layo.
Curry, and ultimately, you have to give credit to the babyface assassin, Steph Curry.
The magic of Steph Curry once again. 38 points, his 8th three-pointer of the game. And the Lakers have plenty of time to get off a good shot.
And this is the thing. They know that they're going to switch across.
Grabe. Bola ng Lakers.
LeBron James is being guarded by one of the great defenders in Draymond Green. James using the screen.
Si Reeves ang may hawak ng bola.
5 seconds to go.
Ayun. Nag-drive. 3.1 seconds. Shot. No timeout. Panalo ang Lakers. Yeah. Ganda. Christmas win. Guys, nanalo ang Lakers. At 2 points. Hindi sila makapaniwala, oh.
We got ourselves another Christmas classic.
Christmas win.